ChatGPT Plus Free 2026 Get 1 month free trial official method. Hey everyone, welcome back. Big news from OpenAI in 2026. If you have never tried ChatGPT Plus before, you can now get your first month completely free. No sketchy methods, no workarounds, just an official promotion straight from OpenAI. Let me show you exactly how to claim it. Let's get into it. The official 1 month free trial OpenAI has recently updated their offering for new Plus subscribers. If you have never had a ChatGPT Plus subscription before, you are eligible for 1 full month of ChatGPT Plus completely free. This is OpenAI's official way of letting new users experience everything Plus has to offer before committing to the monthly subscription price. It is a legitimate promotion available directly through the ChatGPT platform. How to claim it here is exactly how to get your free month. Open your browser and go to chat.openai.com. Sign into your existing free ChatGPT account or create a new one if you do not have one yet. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon and look for the Upgrade to Plus option. If you are eligible for the free trial, you will see a banner or a badge that says something like Try Plus Free for 1 month or Start Free Trial. Click that, enter your payment details. You will not be charged until the free month ends, and confirm. Your account upgrades to Plus instantly. What you get with Plus during your free month: you get everything ChatGPT Plus includes. That means access to GPT-4o, faster response times, priority access during peak hours, access to advanced data analysis, image generation through DALL-E, browsing the web for current information, and access to the GPT store with thousands of custom GPTs. It is a genuinely massive upgrade from the free tier, and 1 month gives you plenty of time to experience everything. Remember to cancel if needed. This is important. If you do not want to be charged after the free month, make sure you cancel before it ends. Go to your account settings, click Manage Subscription, and hit Cancel Plan. Canceling does not cut off your access immediately. You keep full Plus benefits until the very last day of your free month. Set a reminder on your phone for a day before the trial ends so you never get caught off guard. Method 2 for students. If you are a student, you have even more options on top of the free trial. Your university may already have ChatGPT Edu enrolled, giving you free access through your school account. Check your university IT portal or try logging in with your official school email at chat.openai.com to see if institutional access is already available to you at no personal cost. And that is how you get ChatGPT Plus free for 1 month in 2026 using the completely official method. Go to chat.openai.com, look for the free trial offer on the upgrade page, enter your payment details, enjoy a full month of Plus, and cancel before the trial ends if you do not want to continue. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.